No matter where you are in life, there's a way to get rich. But here's the thing. What works in your 20s won't work in your 40s. And by the time you hit 60, you need an entirely different strategy. Let's break it down by age and see which personal finance books are best for you. Before we proceed, make sure you stay through the end. I have a question worth pondering. Should you feel left out if you have not read any of these books? Mid-20s. Your goals are starting careers, paying off debt, and budgeting. In your 20s, it's all about automation and building good habits early. A must-read for you is I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Next group, the early 30s to mid-40s. Your goals are advancing careers, home buying, and family planning. Now that you're settling into your career and maybe starting a family, it's time to think long-term. The Millionaire Next Door teaches you the importance of living below your means and growing your wealth slowly. Next up, for people in their mid-40s to late 50s, your goals are maximizing earnings and serious retirement planning. As you approach your peak earning years, maximizing your investments becomes crucial. The Boglehead's Guide to Retirement Planning gives you the step-by-step to ensure you'll have enough to retire comfortably. And the last group, 60s. Your goals are preserving wealth and managing retirement. If you're nearing retirement, it's all about preserving wealth and making sure your money lasts. How to Make Your Money Last by Jane Bryant Quinn will give you the tools to enjoy your golden years without financial stress. No matter your age, the right financial strategy and mindset can help you live your rich life. Let us know in the comments which age group you're in and what money challenge you're currently facing. Each of these books is packed with insights that can transform your financial future. And here's the best part. It's never too late to start. No matter your age, you can still take action today. 20s, I Will Teach You to Be Rich, Automate, Invest, and Enjoy Life Without Sacrificing Your Future. 30s and 40s, The Millionaire Next Door, Build Wealth the Smart Way by Living Below Your Means. 40s and 50s, The Boglehead's Guide to Retirement Planning, Maximize Your Investments and Get Serious About Retirement. 60s, How to Make Your Money Last, Stretch Your Savings and Enjoy Retirement with Confidence. Now the ultimate question is, should you feel demoralized when you realize you hadn't read any of these books? Fret not, it's never too late to pick them up now. The good habits built today will go a long way, and you probably want to pass them down to people you care about, right? So now you have all the essential books in your respective group. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips on mastering your money at any stage of life. See you soon.